Space Needle? Hi guys. Did you have fun? I bet you loved that store, didn't you? Is it a rainy day in Seattle? Yeah. It's so rare. Whoa! So, do you talk to Amanda a lot, or is she needy? Yeah, she's nearby. She is? Do not play it for anybody. She said no, she's not needy. Hey guys! Oh, look! Space Needle! The Comerford News Building, Molly. Awesome! And now we're going to go through... Look, the EMP! Kevin, look at the EMP! Have you brought Kevin in there? No, not yet. We need to. It's a little... It might be a little young, but upstairs they have the drums that they can play, and Gabe loved it. Go hold hands with Gabe, Kev. Hold hands. Hold hands, Gabe. Can you hold his hand, Gabe? No. He doesn't want to? Oh. I'll hold your hand. Oh, there we go. Yay! Yay! We're going through the EMP. So it's a tunnel, Molly. Oh, tunnel? A broken guitar. Cool. Cool. Are you guys getting tired? Are you guys getting tired? Can you just hold this out? I'll give you a treat. Yeah. Please. You used to always want to hold people's hands. Mitchell would hold your hand. Yeah. Hey, Gabe. Please. Just for a second, and then we're going to get off. Oh. Oh, wait. Oh, guys, wait. Wait. Thank you, Gabe. Oh, so sweet. Because there's so many people. That is nice, actually. So many people. Yeah. Gabe's really sweet that way. Oh, totally sweet that way. He's working on it. Okay, we're done.